Kastner from Baguio, Team Explore Bicycles. Sayote Boys, champion dito guys, Elite Men Open sa Aqua 10. So Kastner, tell us about your final run. Kamusta yung final run mo from SS1 to SS3?
SS1, it was a good run naman. Yun lang, konting error pa rin. SS2 naman, naligaw ako. Pero bumalik naman ako agad sa track. For SS3, doon ko na binuhos lahat ng mga reserve energy ko. Ganun po. And perfect run naman yung SS3 ko so far. Walang error.
Sa second place and first place, ilang seconds lamang mo?
For SS1, leading ako with a large margin din. Ay, yung SS2 yung milliseconds lang. Agot namin ni Panfilo. And SS3, 3 seconds lang naman kay McKevin. I would like to thank Attorney Alden sa pag-sponsor ng aking registration. Also for Attorney Panganiban sa aking bike. And also sa aking mga team for unending support po. Thank you po, Kuya.
Harvey Sanders, champion 14 and below. Harvey's from Gravity Bikes, La Union. So Harvey, tell us about your final run. How's your SS1 to SS3?
So the SS1 was good. I won by, I think, 20 seconds maybe. And then on the SS3, I won by 2. And SS3 was kind of hard because it's long and it's quite bumpy. So it's quite tiring on the arms. And that's it really.
Yes. How long have you been racing mountain bikes, Harvey?
Like 8 years, I think,
8
racing.
years already.
Yeah.
And you're living here in the Philippines or?
Yeah, it's half-half in UK as well.
Nice seeing you again, Harvey, and congratulations. Bench Carantes, champion 19 and below. How's your final run, Bench?
Okay naman po. Konting errors lang po sa Rockies po. Sa tunnel, kulang sa bito po.
Gano'ng kalayo yung agwat from first to second?
Ang pagkalam ko po, 30 plus po.
30 seconds! Tinambak mo! Saan mo nahanap yung 30 seconds na yun? Anong ginawa mo?
Sa padyakan, konti lang po.
Doon ka bumawi sa padyak?
Pasalaman ko po sila Papa, si Mama, tsaka sila Jodeng Cycle po.
Ariel Flora, champion 2029. Kamusta ang final run natin, Ariel?
Okay naman po. Medyo mahirap, very technical yung rota, pero naraos naman, okay naman. SS1, medyo okay yung run ko kasi maganda-ganda pa yung kondisyon. Nung 2 at 3, nagka-error na, pero at least wala siyang hard crash. Puro more on lang siya talaga. Close calls na muntikan lang. Salamat lagi kay Boss Romel Ragasa sa walang sawang suporta. At sa mga tropa, pamilya at kaibigan. Tsaka kay User Deb!
Aljay Diaz from Pit Bikes Racing, Panic MTB, champion 3039. Jay, kamusta final run natin from SS1 to SS3?
Medyo solid yung naging 1, 2, 3 na stage natin. Less error, tsaka solid talaga yung run. Kaya nag-champion tayo.
Ilang seconds yung lamang natin from second place?
Medyo malayo mga yata, 40 seconds ata may higit.
40? Okay, so saan mo kinuha yung extra 40 seconds na yun para lumamang?
Siguro sa track read, mas kabisado ko siguro dahil matagal na rin tayong nagbabike dito sa La Union. Kaya advantage sa atin yun na nag-champion tayo.
Ayos. Congrats, Jay.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Okay, nandito na ngayon with Idol, Mark Cristi La Vega, mo yung racing team.
Idol, mabuhay kayong lahat.
Champion, 40-49.
Yes,
Kamusta race run natin, Idol?
So far, yung race run natin okay naman. Kahit yung track read natin, napaka-iksi lang. Dumating ako kahapon, every after lunch na, kaya nag-aabol ako ng track read. Pero yung basta La Union, napakaganda ng La Union.
Kamusta yung final run mo, SS1 to SS3? May mga errors ba?
Dahil yung tracks natin medyo loose na talaga, nag-error ako sa stage 1, sumuta ako sa puno. Pero hopefully, natuloy naman natin na maayos. Tapos yung sa stage 3 natin, napakaganda ng Rockies, ang sarap. Tapos yung tunnel, very nice.
Mga gusto mo pasalamatan, Idol?
Siyempre, once again, pasalamatan ko yung sponsor ko, Jodeng Cycle, Bathala Bike Park, ADHD Gravity, at sa lahat ng lumaro dito sa series ng Santa Cruz. Congratulations everyone, mabuhay kayong lahat mga idol. Sa lahat ng organizer, congrats. Siyempre, support natin User Dev, mga idol, mabuhay kayo. So, I would like to invite everyone this coming April 19 sa Teban. Magkita-kita po tayong lahat. Leg 2 mga idol ng Santa Cruz Series. Alright.
Congrats, Idol! Craig Knowles here, winner of 50 Up. Craig, tell us about your final run. How was your run from SS1 to SS3?
Tricky lines, SS1, 2 and 3, loose, dusty, but good fun. They're long. You just got to ride safe and stay upright.
How long have you been practicing here? Since Thursday or Friday? You've been here already?
We arrived Friday. We had 6 hits Friday, 6 hits Saturday, and race day today.
So tell us about the track here at Aquaten. How different it is compared to other tracks here in the Philippines?
Super long, nice and technical, challenging, nothing easy, great fun.
All right. Thanks, mate. And
Great fun.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Jundel, kamusta final run mo from SS1 to SS3?
Maganda naman sir, SS1, doon ako nagbigay ng todong lakas. Tapos nung sa SS2 tsaka 3, nag-chill na lang since ano man. Medyo nakakaangat na kaunti sa time. So chill na lang para sure na tayo. Para safe din yung takbo.
Ilan ba yung lamang mo? SS1 pa lang. Ilan yung lamang mo sa second?
Nung SS1, nagkaroon tayo ng 7 seconds. Pero nung pag stage 2, binawi din ng mga milliseconds about 0.4. Tapos nung 3, nabawian tayo ng mga 5 seconds. So bale, yung panalo lang is mga 1 second lang talaga.
So, kamusta yung track naman dito sa Aquaten? How does it compare to other tracks sa Pilipinas na na-try mo na?
Sobrang loose, especially tuyo ngayon. Tapos yung mga Rockies, challenging din. Tapos all in all, maganda siya sir. Mag-e-enjoy talaga ng lahat ng riders po.
Okay, so ayan, nakita nyo hardtail si Jundel. Kung may mga hardtail kayo sa bahay, gusto nyo sumali sa enduro or downhill, pwede kayo sumali. Hindi lang to limited sa mga full sus. Papi Pamel Ragasa, winner of e-bike category from Gravity Bikes Bicycle Trading. So Papi, take us through your final run. Kamusta final run natin from SS1 to SS3?
What I did, kung baka ang ginawa ko lang, veterans move eh. Sabi nga ng mga veterano, clean is pass. So what I did, clean run lang all the way. So hindi ako nag-push. Then so happen na perfect lang yung run. Walang error. Yun, naging okay naman result niya. Sabi nga, pag local ka, advantage mo din talaga. At the same time, maganda yung bike.
Ano ba yung bike na gamit natin?
Well, Boss Jason, baka naman. Mondraker Crafty RRS. So basically, napakaganda para sa akin din.
Kung may mga e-bikes kayo, gusto nyo sumali sa this kind of
Yes.
races, enduro, downhill, meron tayong e-bike category. Papi Pamel, congrats.
Thank you.
Good morning guys. Ito tayo ngayon sa Barawas Aquaten Bike Trail. February 22, Santa Cruz, leg 1. Ride safe at maraming salamat sa mga sponsors natin.